Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to talk about my top 5 favorite accessories for Indian cooking. This is Sandhya and welcome to my kitchen. So my favorite accessory is this steel bowl. I use this for making pot dishes. Like I make rice in this, I make dal, I also make yogurt if I want small batches to be done. I also do, so for say paneer butter masala, you first want to cook onions and tomatoes. I just cook it in this and mash it up and add it to my final recipe. So this is something that I found very useful. You don't have to use the same thing, but any stainless steel bowl that you have handy will work. All the steel bowls are safe to use in Instant Pot. Just make sure you get one with a lid on it. It just avoids overflow. So my second favorite is this egg stand. I use this a lot with pot to make eggs, and also if I'm making rice in my inner pot, I use this as a stand to place my bowl for dal, for anything. I use this stand to stack. I made a video of rasam and rice together in which I use these two accessories together. So if you want to get an idea, please take a look at that recipe video. So my third favorite are these Instant Pot mitts. These are very high temperature resistant. I use them with Instant Pot, I use them with air fryer, I use them with while I'm baking. I also use them for my stuffed top recipes as well. These are very useful to hold on to the Instant Pot while sauteing, while cooking. These are also useful if you have something pot to remove the inner pot. So they are very useful and very helpful. They are also, I believe they're below $10. You can buy any brand, but Instant Pot brand is something that I really like. They're durable. It's been almost 2 years I took these and they are functioning fine. And my next favorite is this steamer basket. You can make steamed veggies, you can make momos, you can make steamed spinach in this. You can also make broccoli and carrots together and that's your dinner right there. So it's very useful, very helpful, large, and fits perfectly in Instant Pot. And the next accessory that I like is this Instant Pot lid. It sits perfectly on the Instant Pot. I use this while I'm making chicken where I have to cook it with a lid. I also use this while trying to make dosa batter. If you try to use the lid, it sometimes might get stuck. So using a glass lid is very important while fermenting batters, and this is something that I really find useful. You don't have to buy the Instant Pot brand, but just having a glass lid is very useful. So these are my favorite accessories. Please share yours in the comment section below. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye and see you all in the next video.